Hi, I'm Brandon Smith. I'm an intermediate maintenance worker for MoDOT here at Columbia, Missouri. I am an avid outdoorsman. Love it. I have an 8-year-old daughter named Emma. I have a 6-year-old son named Mason, and I have a 3-year-old daughter named Alexia. Keep me busy. Very busy. Very seldom do we get to be inside unless we got a meeting. But no, it's every day. We're hand in hand with traffic, the traveling public. You see so many people who's on their cell phones or who's reading a book while they're driving or reading a magazine while they're driving, or they're 5 minutes late for work, so they're driving recklessly. And they don't realize that, we're in really close vicinity. We're one mistake away from having a bad accident. I was working on I-70 at night with bridge crew. One of the bridge guys was jackhammering on the center line, and an 18-wheeler got over towards the barrier wall and clipped the barrier wall and came back over towards us. So I grabbed the guy and I shoved him. That's kind of what my job is. So I shoved him out of the way and I turned. And as I was turning, I got clipped with a mirror on my back. Just a glancing blow, and luckily it didn't hurt me. But it could have been a lot worse. We're all sons, daughters, fathers, wives, husbands. So, we want to go home to our families. Slow down, pay attention. You're texting on your phone isn't important as taking a daughter's father away, just be responsible.